Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how you guys can make awesome thumbnails. So before getting started, I would like to thank all the 1200 subscribers and whoever is watching my video, and make sure you guys like this video, and the note with which we are going to start the video is please subscribe to the channel and do comment what kind of content you guys want from the channel, and what you guys like more about the channel, and any positive note just post them in the comment section guys. And let's have a look on the videos that we have on the channel, and let's check out their thumbnails. So how do you create thumbnails like these guys? This is a highly requested video on the channel, and I was not able to make one about this because I had to record audio separately for this video, and I am doing that right now. And now let's go ahead and check out how you can make thumbnails like these. And guys, in these videos the logo, the kind of animation kind of thing that you see about myself is made on Photoshop, and then the rest is done on the website on which I edit my regular thumbnails like these ones. These ones and these are all made on the same website. I can also show you the proof. So moving on to the website, that is canva.com, you can just find the link. Okay guys, I will not give you the link because it's just canva.com. You can just search it on Google, and over here you can, as you can see, there are search results over here suggested. You can just go there, search for thumbnail. You can also create Instagram posts. You just type in Instagram post. You can edit Instagram story. You can add Instagram story highlight covers. So first of all, we'll search for YouTube thumbnail. YouTube channel art is also available, but be sure to select YouTube thumbnail. You just select YouTube thumbnail and click enter, and it will open up in the new tab. So you can just close the old tab. So I did that, and before doing that I think we need to open up. Okay, let's close this tab, and then let's just open up back this one. And for editing guys, the images you need should be in PNG format. So as you guys can see, these are all the images I have used. So now let me just show you how to make a thumbnail like this. So this is the image downloaded from Google that is copyright free. I just search you can just go ahead, search Google for copyright free images of your topic, whatever you want. Like for the previous video, one of the videos I had searched for USB killer. So this is the PNG format. I can go over here, just add it here, and then you can just delete it. And let me now just show you how to edit a PUBG thumbnail. Like I'll just make one and show it to you guys. So you can have these regular backgrounds, or if you guys also like, you can just go ahead and select and opt for a solid color. You can just select from the palette, or you can select these standard colors over here. So for me, I'll just go to the backgrounds and select one among these. So I like a grayish background, and that will look cool. So let me just select this, or you can just go down, select a kind of black thing, and then you can just edit these colors from here. You can just select this black, and this looks dynamic. And now go to the uploads. How to upload an image guys? Just click on upload an image, and you can just select it from anywhere from your PC. So you can just save it on your PC from Google, and then you can just add it there. So how to add this? So you can just go click on this icon, place it anywhere you want. It's that simple. And you can just increase the size here, and then adjust it, and that will be there. Now go to text. You can click on add a heading or a subheading, or a little bit smaller text. That's add a little bit of body text. So you can just go there, and over here type in Technoxity. Just have this, then click on this, change the color, it's white, and you can change the font. My favorite font over here is Adobe Regular from now. Like from the past 10 to 20 videos, you can just go ahead and check out the channel. You will find this kind of logo, means this font, and this one guys, you can make a shadow effect, but there is no inbuilt tool for that. You can just click on this, Control C on your keyboard, then Control V again, and it will duplicate the layer. And you can select this second layer, bring it down, change the color to some other one, you can just go there, select a red color and then one, and you can use your keyboard for that purpose, and it will create cool shadow like effect. You can use this method to create this shadow, and then after creating this shadow kind of effect, you can click here, then go back to the text, click on text and add back PUBG, and then select the whichever font you want. There are a lot of fonts, but my favorite one is this one, so I'll go with that, and click on white again, and let's have white because I want the text to be in white here, and then copy this again, Control C, Control V. Oh sorry, I have to click on this, Control C, Control V, and then select this, click on this, and I think I'll make it black, and then just move it around, and black is not visible, so you can just shift the layer by holding Control and the square bracket one, guys. Hold the square bracket and just you can just easily move it. So it's not making that much of effect, so let me press Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I'm tapping it here. Okay, this looks good, but have to change the color. So this is nice, and let's have it here, Technoxity PUBG. Hope that's good, and then upload some kind of logo. You can have your channel logo, or you can also have your YouTube logo, the regular YouTube logo, or you can just download some PNG image. And guys, how to find a PNG image on Google, I'll show you that as well. Just open up Google and then search for like, I'll just show you, YouTube PNG logo. You can do this for all the kinds of logos you want. Just search this, and then when you have this kind of transparent background on the thumbnail from the website directly, guys, it's not PNG. When you click, it has to open up, and there should be those check boxes behind, but this is not a PNG image, because you can see this background over here on the screen, so you will have to be careful with that. And over here, guys, if you can see, I'll just show you over here. I'll zoom in and show you. Over here, guys, you can see those check marks. These were not visible on the main screen. Like over here, there are no check marks over here, so you can find out that it's the normal one. And let me just reset this one, and then that's the way you find out which image is PNG. And then after completing all the editing stuff, how are you going to just download it? It's just simple. Select here, select the format you want. I prefer PNG. Just download that and have it here. And when you upload a video, you will have the option to upload a custom thumbnail. You can just do that there. And over here, there is the image here, show in folder. Let me just open it for you guys, and then until then let's check out what's on the other tabs. Okay, this is there, and we are on this tab. And that's the way you are going to edit, download, and then use the thumbnail, guys. You can just see how many thumbnails I have over here. All these are done and downloaded from the same website, and you guys can go ahead, check it out. And this is the image, guys. Let me just show you how the quality of the image is. Sorry, this is the video. Okay, we have to minimize everything, and there is this over here. This is the image. That's the, let me just open it, and this is the image, guys. This is the thumbnail aspect ratio with the custom dimensions of YouTube thumbnail. That's 9 how much, guys? 12. I forgot the dimension, sorry. And don't worry, the dimensions are fixed, and the Canva actually does it with the custom dimensions. So make sure you like this video, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye, and please like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.